Hello everyone, I don't know RC Duke. Just wanted to show everybody. Started working on my little lunch box, my Tamiya Lunch Box. That was sent to me by the RCF about 4 months ago. But yep, finally started working on it. This is gonna be cool. But so let me show y'all my little progress. Where I'm at. That's the box right there. So I still gotta paint the body. The body that comes with it. And I gotta put all the bumpers and stuff on it. So but not much left to do to it. I already painted the rims, the yellow that I'm using. So it's almost the same yellow as the box. Just it's off a little bit from the box, but yeah, that's how the rims came out. It's all hooked up, all the electronics, it's all working good. Pretty cool. I ran it like this. Pops a wheelie, no problem. It's cool to drive. Got the little wheelie bar. Awesome. It's all my electronics on the top. I gotta redo my wiring. Just tied it out the way for right now. But cut that Tamiya plug off for my Dean's plug. Cause all my batteries I have a Dean's. So yep, just a little quick video. What I have. I hooked it to my radio link remote right there, because that's the only receiver I had left. So, but it works fine though. Got it tucked away on the side right there. The antenna. So, it all works good. No problems. Love it. It was an easy build. Didn't have no problems putting it together at all. That's what I got right there. So, just waiting for some warm weather. Now I had a little cool front that came through. So I got nowhere else to paint but outside. So I'm waiting to paint outside. So, but yep, once she's gonna be done, it's gonna look awesome. Oh, and instead of, I see if the wife can make me some stickers. If it's saying the Vanessa's lunchbox, I'll try to make it say Duke's lunchbox. That way it'd be mine. Yeah. So, alright, y'all. Everybody have a safe and blessed day out there. Y'all take care. Stay warm. Stay dry. All that good stuff. Alright. I don't know if she do. I hope.